So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can recover the view once images on WhatsApp if someone have sent you. Now in order to do it, simply open this WhatsApp, and this is the WhatsApp. Simply go to the settings of your WhatsApp. You can find it right there on the below of the screen. Now once you are in the settings, you need to go to this option of storage and data. Here simply click on manage storage. Once you do that, you simply need to, in this search option, search for the chat, that particular chat. For example, if I search for the chat like there, here, now all you need to do, here you will find all the media that have been shared on that particular chat, and you will also find the view once chat saved here. And this is currently working, but if WhatsApp pushes some other updates for the fix, it won't work. But for now it's working. You'll easily able to find view once images right there in the WhatsApp. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.